Hey guys, Gadget Junkie here. In this video, I'm featuring this cast iron Tuscan grill that was sent over to me to showcase for you guys. These here are two 8x16 cast iron grill plates. The grates are perfect for cooking burgers, cooking franks, cooking brats, cooking steaks, roasting vegetables. Anything you want to do at the campsite, you can do with these here. Even put a boiler on top of them and boil water or cook whatever foods in a boiler that you want to cook. Super easy to set up. They come with 8 stainless steel legs. They simply screw in like so, and the grates are ready to go. So obviously this here is made for cooking over an open fire, guys. You know, if you're into camping, if you have a backyard fire pit, or you're at the beach and want to build a bonfire at the beach, and you want to cook up some burgers and stuff at the beach, perfect for that application. You can use one of these grates at a time, or you can use both of them at the same time. If you use one of them, obviously you're gonna have an 8x16 grill surface. If you use both of them at the same time, you're gonna have a 16x16 grill surface. They come with these here two carry handles here. With the handles, basically you're gonna hook them into the edge of the grates, pick them up like so. If you need to move your food so that you're not burning stuff up, you can move them out the way, and that's that. It comes with a really nice little carry bag here so that when you take the legs down, it all fits inside the little stuff sack here and fits away in your camping gear without taking up a lot of space. So if you guys are looking for a way to, cook on an open fire, again, in the backyard, at the beach, at the campsite, I highly recommend this Tuscan grill here. I hope this helps.